You won't believe what we just found out. A brand new concept design for the Nothing Phone 3 has surfaced online, showcasing a bold look with 3 camera lenses aligned in the upper center of the phone. And that's not all. Imagine if Nothing Phone 3 comes with a glowing back material like the recent Phone 2 A Plus Community Edition. That striking glow would give it a whole new character, adding both flair and functionality to the device. Spigen, a company famous for its covers, shared the new concept design of Nothing Phone 3 with 3 centered camera lenses in a triangular form on X, formerly known as Twitter. While this design is certainly unique, it's a bold choice that some might find less appealing. Let's be honest, it doesn't quite hit the mark. What do you think of this design direction? Share your thoughts in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive content and early tech updates. Link is available in the description. Furthermore, if Nothing Phone 3 comes with glowing material just like Phone 2 A Plus Community Edition, it will surely capture a lot of interest. The Nothing Phone 3 is set to launch early next year, with hints from a recent live session pointing to some game-changing updates. While the official details are under wraps, the hype suggests Nothing has big plans, including an advanced chipset and deeper AI integration. CEO Carl Pei confirmed the 2025 launch of Nothing Phone 3, making it clear that Nothing is focused on building something exceptional rather than following the trend of quick releases. They're intent on crafting a unique experience that goes beyond the usual smartphone updates. Now, this is where things get even more exciting. Nothing is taking AI integration to the next level. While brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi have introduced their own AI features to make daily tasks smoother, Nothing aims to go further by delivering a user-centered experience. This isn't about adding flashy AI for the sake of trend. Carl Pei's emphasis on user experience suggests that the AI will be seamlessly integrated into the Phone 3's operating system, enabling smoother interactions and personalized features that make using the phone feel natural, almost like it's learning from you and adapting to your needs. Rumors suggest the Phone 3 could pack either the Snapdragon 8 Elite or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, both known for exceptional AI performance and satellite communication support. These choices hint at a powerful AI-driven device with top-tier performance. Nothing Phone 3 is expected to be priced at around $600. With its unique design and powerful hardware, Phone 3 is going to be a game-changer for Nothing in the smartphone industry. Additionally, Apple is also putting a lot of flagship-level features like Apple Intelligence, A18 chipset with 8 GB RAM in its budget-friendly iPhone SE 4. So it will be interesting to see which phone will grab the spotlight. Are you ready to see what Nothing has in store? Would you like to see glowing back material in Nothing Phone 3? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more early tech updates. With that said, I will see you in the next video.